Good morning, dear children. Children, in our previous class, we have read the lesson bird watching. Today, we are going to read and understand the lesson paragraph wise. So, get ready to listen, read, and understand. So, here in the first paragraph, it is written, bird watching is a very interesting hobby. Children, we have understood about hobby in our previous class. Hobby is something which you like doing in your free time or when you are not working. It could be anything, reading, it could be painting, dancing, anything, right? So bird watching is also a very interesting hobby. Now let us understand what is bird watching. Children, bird watching is also called birding, which means going outside to enjoy watching birds. So people just observe or watch birds without disturbing them from their window, or they go outside in the park or in the garden and they just simply observe or watch birds and their activities. That is called bird watching. Okay, and someone who does this activity of bird watching is called bird watcher or birder. Okay, now you have understood what is bird watching. Now let's read further in the paragraph. It is written, one who made it quite popular was Dr. Salim Ali. The person who made it quite popular was Dr. Salim Ali, or the Birdman of India. He was also known as the Birdman of India. Children, you can see the picture of Dr. Salim Ali. He was also known as the Birdman of India. Now children, here I want to tell you that Dr. Salim Ali was not just a bird watcher. वो सिर्फ एक bird watcher नहीं थे. He was an ornithologist. वो क्या थे? Ornithologist. अभी ornithologist क्या होता है? Ornithologist वो होते हैं those who study birds as a profession, जो properly birds की scientific study करते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं ornithologist. Okay, so Dr. Salim Ali सिर्फ एक bird watcher नहीं थे, he was an ornithologist. Bird watching जब आप scientific तरीके से करते हो उसको बोलते हैं ornithology. क्या बोलते हैं? ornithology. इसकी पढ़ाई भी होती है. ओके बच्चों, तो हमारे डॉक्टर सलीम अली कौन थे? ही वॉज एन ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट, और उनके बारे में ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. ये तो हम जानते हैं दैट ही वाज नोन एज बर्डमैन ऑफ इंडिया. ही वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू कंडक्ट सिस्टमैटिक बर्ड सर्वे अक्रॉस इंडिया. पूरे इंडिया में उन्होंने बर्ड सर्वे कराया था सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से. ही वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन जिन्होंने ऐसा करवाया था. एंड ही रिसीव 2 प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड्स. उनको 2 प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड्स मिले थे. ही रिसीव पद्म भूषण एंड पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड. एंड उनके वर्क के कारण, उनके काम के कारण एक बर्ड को उनका नाम भी दिया गया था. यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन ज़ुथैरा सलीम अली, एक हिमालयन बर्ड है, उनको नाम दिया गया था सलीम अली के नाम पर. दिस इज द ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट डॉक्टर सलीम अली, हु वाज not just a bird watcher, who was an ornithologist. Now let's read further in the paragraph. He was extremely fond of birds. He traveled all over the world studying different types of birds. So Dr. Salim Ali was he liked birds very much, and he traveled all over the world and he studied about different types of bird. पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाके उन्होंने ट्रैवल किया और पूरे वर्ल्ड में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बर्ड के बारे में उन्होंने स्टडी किया. He fought very hard to save birds from hunters who shot them for amusement. मीन्स उन्होंने बर्ड्स को बचाने के लिए बहुत फाइट किया, बर्ड्स के बारे में अवेयरनेस फैलाई और बर्ड्स को हंटर से बचाया जो उनको सिर्फ अम्यूजमेंट, सिर्फ एंजॉयमेंट के लिए किल करते थे. He gave the world a lot of information about different birds. वो ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट थे, उन्होंने बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की और पूरे वर्ल्ड को उन्होंने बर्ड्स के बारे में बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी. उन्होंने एक बुक भी लिखी है जिनमें उन्होंने इंडिया के बर्ड्स के बारे में लिखा है. यू कैन सी द नेम ऑफ द बुक on the screen? It is the Book of Indian Birds. Let's read further. Did you know that the tallest bird in India is the Sarus crane? So the tallest bird in India is the Sarus crane. You can see the picture on screen. And the smallest is the flower pecker, and the smallest bird in India is the flower pecker. Children, now let's read and understand the remaining paragraphs of the story. It is written, the largest bird in India is the great bustard. Now you can see the image of great bustard on your screen. This bird is the largest bird in India. Okay. Next is the national bird of India is the peacock. All of you must have seen the bird peacock. It is the national bird of India. Here are some very interesting facts about birds. Now we are going to read and understand about some interesting facts about birds. Now the first bird is the common crow. The crow is considered as one of the most intelligent birds. This bird, crow, is considered as one of the intelligent birds. Now next is about the tailor bird. You can see the picture of tailor bird. Now what is the fact about tailor bird? Interesting fact about tailor bird is the tailor bird actually sews together leaves with cobweb threads or fine grass to build its nest. Means the tailor bird, just like its name, like a tailor, it stitch the leaves together with cobweb thread. Cobweb thread means लकड़ी का जाला और fine grass. Fine grass means जो पतली पतली grasses होती है उसकी help से वो टेलर के जैसे leaves को आपस में stitch करके अपना nest build करती है. Bird. Now other interesting fact about the hummingbird. You can see the picture of hummingbird on your screen. The hummingbird makes a humming sound by flapping its wings. So the hummingbird, when it tries to balance on air, it flaps its wing very fast. So hummingbird air में balance करने के लिए अपने wings को बहुत speed में flap करती है. तो उससे कैसे sound आती है? Humming sound. So that's why it is called hummingbird. Next, it is written, a bird uses its beak for eating, fighting and nest building. So birds अपना beak किस काम के लिए use करती हैं? For eating, for fighting and for nest building. Would you like to discover some bird facts too? All you need is a pair of binoculars, a notebook, pencil and lots of patience to take up bird watching as a hobby. Here it is written that if you want to be a bird watcher, all you need is a pair of binoculars. You can see the picture of binoculars on your screen, a notebook and pencil to note down the facts and you observe about the bird. You will note down in the notebook. And the most important thing is lots and lots of patience. आप bird watcher बनना चाहते हो, as a hobby आप बर्ड वॉचिंग करना चाहते हो तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या चाहिए आपको? पेशेंस. बिकॉज आपको बर्ड्स को बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू जस्ट वॉच एंड ऑब्जर्व देयर एक्टिविटी, राइट? सो आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? सो ऑल दोज हु आर रेडी फॉर इट, दे कैन बी अ बर्ड वॉचर. और सिंपली all of you can do one thing, that you can keep a bird feeder or some food grain outside your kitchen window or outside your house, or you can keep a water feeder or bowl of water for birds. This everyone can do, right? Or otherwise, if you want to be a bird watcher, now you have understood what you need to be a bird watcher. So those who want to be a bird watcher, enjoy bird watching. Now children, you have understood the paragraphs of this lesson.